Hey guys, do you know if your first lord is in 12th house and 12th lord is in first house, which type of results you will get in your life? If you don't know, today I will let you know. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about if your first lord, your ascendant lord, placed in your 12th house and 12th house lord placed in your first house, which type of results you will get in your life, because this is a mutual exchange between two houses, two lord of houses. So first of all, first house donate, uh, first house denote your physics, your charmness, your cuteness, your self, your intelligence, your looking appearance, your height, your way of talking, your skills. There's a lot of things which is linked about yourself. That is first house. And 12th house is a house of your foreign settlement, foreign PR, bankruptcy, prism. 12th house is also house of hospitalization. 12th house is also house of unexpected expenditures. 12th house is a house of wastage of money. 12th house is a house of long distance journeys, settlement in foreign land, settlement in far away from your birthland. If your first lord is in 12th house, it means you will settle in foreign land. That is for sure. You will get PR, you will get work permit, and you will easily get settled in foreign land. If your first lord is in 12th and 12th lord is in first house, it simply shows you never settle at your birthland. If you're born in Punjab, if you're born in Delhi, if you're born in Bombay, and if you try to live in your birthland, you never get success. You will face a lot of struggle and hurdles. But if you plan to settle in America, Canada, and you are planning to leave your birthland and you are trying to settle in foreign land, you will definitely get a lot of advantage and a lot of success are there. Those native who have a first house lord placed in 12th house and 12th house lord placed in first house, 99% they will settle in foreign land and they will success a lot. And if you are trying to success at your birthland, if you try to settle in your state, if you're trying to settle in your city, you never get success. You will see a lot of downfall. You will see a lot of financial crisis. You will see a lot of tensions, hurdles, mental stress, because your first house is in 12th house. It simply says to you, go far away from your birthland, move, go far away, move from here, move from here. So if you leave your birthland and you are trying to settle in foreign land, you will easily get work permit and PR. And you will success a lot. You will get name, fame, prosperity at foreign land because your first lord is in 12th house. There is a strong chances you may meet any settlement if Venus is involved in this mutual exchange. For example, if Venus is involved in this mutual exchange, you may settle in foreign land through any woman. You may settle in foreign land through your marriage. If your first lord is in 12th house and 12th lord is in first house, you are always focused on saving money. You're always try to do your best, but unexpected expenditures will always irritate you. You are unable to save your money. But if you settle in foreign land, you will definitely save some small amount of money if your first lord is in 12th house. After spend your expenditures, after manage your expenditures, you will definitely, save some money. But there's a strong chances to great success in foreign land. I'm telling again and again, if you have that type of mutual exchange between two planets, like first house is in 12th and 12th house is in first, please don't try to settle at your birthland. You never get success. You're getting confused, disturbed, mental disturbance, and mental confusion, and you are facing a lot of financial crisis. You're facing a lot of hurdles, financial crisis. But if you settle in foreign land, if you go far away from your birthland, you will definitely achieve a lot of milestones. You will definitely rise a lot. You will earn a lot of money, fame, reputation, respect. You are easily get PR in foreign land because your ascendant lord is in your 12th house and 12th house lord is in your first house. These combinations are very rare, but those native who have this type of combination, mutual exchange between two planets, they rise a lot in foreign land. So if you stay at your birthland and you have these type of combination, again, in whole life, you are facing a lot of bankruptcy. You are facing a lot of financial problems. You are facing a lot of disturbance. You are facing a lot of losses in your business. In your first lord is in 12th and 12th lord is in first house, and you stay at your birthland. And but if you go far away from your birthland, you will definitely achieve a lot of milestones. Success are there, fame are there, reputation are there. You will get a lot of achievements in foreign land. If you're trying to settle at your birthland and you have that type of mutual exchange in a birth chart, first in 12th and 12th in first, you will see a lot of, you may involve in any litigation. Your money will be waste. Over expenditures will irritate you. You may sell your property for your over expenditures if you settle in birthland. And if you far away from your birthland, you will surely success a lot. So guys, if you have these type of combination, don't stay at your birthplace. I'm telling again and again, astrology is a guidance. Astrology is a roots of your life. Astrology show the right path on a right way. So if you have these type of combination, these type of mutual exchange, you are very lucky in the terms of foreign settlement. You will get a lot of fame, prosperity, reputation, image because your first lord is in 12th and 12th lord is in first house. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. I'm praying for your happy future. Jai Hind.